I got myself a Kors Access MKGO watch. I would have gotten a bit more expensive one, but you know.
I'm broke, nigga, I'm broke!
But this is an unboxing video, so let's check this shit out. First I need to take off the wrapping. I am recording with my left hand, so I only have one hand available. Yeah, this is not gonna fucking work. So let's just do this. And by the power of movie magic, this wrapping has magically disappeared, or it hasn't disappeared, it has moved places, but let's see how this... Oh fuck. Am I gonna... This is harder with one hand than I thought. There we fucking go. Shit. Yes. There it is, the watch. There's the charger. Get over here. Yeah. Okay, so there it is. Let's take this out. Well, it's a fucking watch. Now, first things first, I'm a bit concerned about these. I need to test this out in my hand first. Let's pop this sucker in. Okay, I was just a bit concerned how these feel in my hand when I do this, but not bad actually. It doesn't feel like anything, so... Or... yeah. But then I think I'll just test if this actually works. I need to put this fucker in the charger. Let's see how long that takes. Yeah. Okay, it took this thing long enough, but it has finally recharged. And let's start with this thing. Didn't do anything when I pressed that, did something when I pressed here, but this MK, this doesn't do. I need to change it up a bit. So let's... What the fuck? Finally an MK I like to see, but this whole process took 5% of the goddamn battery. I don't know how it happened. It was a pain in the ass to even put it there. And why does it last what? How long does... What the fuck? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it's gone. And the clock stops for some reason. Well, fine, I need to check out how this thing works anyways. But yeah, this thing is a bit slow. What the fuck? What's going on now? So it doesn't show the seconds, but it does update the minutes, I guess. But yeah, okay. This button does something. I have no clue what these buttons do. As far as I know, they do nothing, but maybe I'll find that out someday what they do. But yeah, piece of shit. Well, I kind of got this for my running, and so I can keep track better via watch, so I hope it just does that properly. I got this because it has Wear OS, and I use, what do I use? Sports tracker, and that kind of requires a Wear OS in a watch for some reason. I don't know why. Just lost another %. But yeah, looks like this battery is S. I think they said this lasts for about 24 hours with constant use. I don't know about that. from where I'm sitting. I don't think this will last 12 hours with constant use, but I don't know. We'll see. Maybe it'll start working someday, but fuck it. This was unboxing. I don't know. I'm so tired and pissed. I just need to stop. Yeah.